The graph seeks to facilitate the continuous exchange of data between blockchains and applications. The platform is among the first decentralized indexing and querying software. As such, it continues to see increasing adoption. The graph offers developers an easy-to-use, convenient and secure API. This network allows decentralized applications to add data to the Ethereum blockchain using smart contracts. The Graph APIs are used by some of the most popular DeFi platforms on the market. In particular, Aave, Uniswap, Synthetix leverage this technology to improve data responsiveness. GRT is the Graph's governance token. This ERC20 token can be used to transfer value globally. In particular, GRT owners also acquire other rights in the network. The token has a maximum supply of a bit more than 10 milliard GRT units. This could lead to a major appreciation of the token price over time. Let's talk about the history of the Graph. Yaniv Tal is the co-founder and CEO of the Graph. Brandon Ramirez is the lead researcher, while Yanis Polman is the chief engineer. Professionals from the Ethereum Foundation and Barclays also participate in the project. The network's mainnet went live in December 2020 after 3 years of beta testing. Shortly after its launch, the Graph secured multiple high-level integration from emerging DeFi platforms. Amazingly, the network has already received over 1 billion queries since its launch. Let's see now what problems the Graph solves. Before 2020, you had to be technically prepared to build a dApp that relied on accessing data from the Ethereum blockchain efficiently. Back then, developers had to come up with their own strategy to collect data from different sources and transform it. By recognizing this technical barrier, the Graph has developed a powerful set of tools to help drive innovation and simplify this process. Their primary concern was to accomplish this task without degrading security. The recent expansion of the decentralized finance sector has once again expanded Ethereum's market position. Ethereum is by far the most popular DeFi blockchain, with hundreds of platforms launched as of 2020. As such, Graph is perfectly positioned to help fuel this development. Let's see now how the Graph works. The Graph uses a combination of blockchain technology and advanced indexing protocols to improve query execution on blockchain data. The network is able to index data from the Ethereum, IPFS, and POA networks. In this way, Graph eliminates technical barriers when querying data. In particular, it relies on GraphQL technology to provide a complete description of the data in each API. The subgraphs are a fundamental protocol of the Graph ecosystem. In this network, developers can create and publish various APIs. These protocols are then grouped into open APIs called subgraphs. Users access this data through the GraphQL API. Specifically, there are more than 2,900 subgraphs currently distributed on the network. Each subgraph has a subgraph manifest, in which we can find information such as smart contracts, blockchain events, and even the procedure for mapping event data. Graph nodes are another critical component of the network. Those nodes locate all the information that answers the subgraph's questions. To carry out this activity, the node scans the entire blockchain database and collects all relevant data for queries made by users. GRT holders can stake their tokens and earn rewards passively. Stakeholders delegate their GRT to existing indexers. In return, they earn a portion of the rewards managed by these nodes. Speaking of the indexers, as the name suggests, they have the task of maintaining the indexing function of the platform. From there, curators identify subgraphs that contain relevant information to add to the index. Using GRT, curators identify valuable information for the platform index for subgraph. Fishermen are another type of graph-exclusive node. These network participants confirm the accuracy of the answers to the questions. The final piece of the puzzle are the arbitrators. Their goal is to determine whether an indexer is malicious or not. If the node is found to be malicious, the arbitrators will remove it from the network. The The Graph Council is responsible for leading the Graph's future developments. Interestingly, the network will soon transition to a decentralized governance model. This approach will allow users to vote on any changes to the protocol's technical parameters. The Graph Foundation seeks to promote mass adoption of the Graph network innovation. The group funds new products and networks using the Graph. Interested parties who wish to help build Graph success can apply for their grants program. This financing comes from 1% of the network tariffs. Conclusions. The Graph provides much needed service to an industry on the brink of another successful year. The network continues to help fuel further innovation and development of the decentralized sector. You can expect to see even more DeFi platforms leverage this secure and efficient method of acquiring Ethereum blockchain data as the industry flourishes. For now, the Graph is set to continue its role as a key technology in the market. If you want to know more about this project, check the official links in the description below and make sure you always do your own research before investing in any project.